Switch. Switch. Out! Great job! Okay, so we've exhausted the inner thighs. Now let's take it to outer thighs. Give me a squat right here. Sit back. Great. And now, hold it down here. Good job. Transfer your weight onto the left leg. That's going to be your supporting leg. Bring your right leg out to the side. Hands come to the hips. Chest stays open. Transfer all of your energy and attention to that outer thigh.